clips, the trim, the jam pieces, it's all gonna be in that box. If you open up a box and something's missing, go check in another box, it's probably there, but no, I'm kidding. That could happen where they accidentally
If we do multiple boxes, but if it's just a standard door frame, we've got the hinge jam, the strike jam, the trim kit, and then we have the header box there that has
This
door
header
head.
box is new within the last year, and we did that so that they know where it is, it protects it a lot better.
Well,
Doesn't just
I
slide
noticed
around.
I noticed when I was out at a job site for Aspen Dental actually, where the guy pulled it out and he's like, okay, here's my head, I need to put this up after I get my jams up here for my glazing pieces. And it's like, you're setting it on the ground, you don't have enough room for all the other boxes. So I was like, all right, we need to get a tray for it. And then he says, where are all the clips at? I'm like, well, the clips where we put them at the end of the box, but then he lifts it up and he shakes it and he moves it this way and that way, and suddenly the clips are scattered throughout the entirety of the box, and he's got to pull out all these parts and pieces to try and find the clips. All right, that's enough of that. So I made the clip box, the header box there. We toss in all the clips right there, toss in the head trim and the head door stop and the header. Boom. You open it up, that's right there on the top, you pull it out, you got all your clips, you got your head pieces, everything you need, and that can be set off to the side, and then you can get into the assembly of the rest of the frame. It makes
This really helps us too. It helps our guys know that everything is there. A quick story, just